Right, that's me done at Waylay. Mad week. Mad few. Empty now. I just dropped 8 ton off there for them, for the bridge, and now I'm heading up to Berwick because that bridge is getting stripped. So I've been up a few times this week getting gear. Stretched, man. So this is lovely Waylay anyway. Sometimes come up here for New Year, have a night in the pub up here and stay over. Really cheap, 40 quid for the room, for the tour. Great entertainment in the bar and all that jazz. It's just this one up here on the right. I forgot the name of it. Big white pub here, this one. We were booked in for this year, but COVID just went nuts around Crimbo New Year, didn't it? And I didn't want to take the risk. The Black Bull, first class. Great pub. Berwick, for God's sake. Not very wavy though in Waylay, are they? It ain't wavy Waylay. Hey ho. That house on the right, mansion, stunning. Bombing down there, bombing down the way. Well, this ain't good. Just on the other side of Morpeth. Been crawling along like this for about 10 minutes. I know yesterday with the high winds, it was 50-60 mile an hour winds up here yesterday. Yeah, another storm, and there was a lorry on its side. It was a company from Gateshead, and one of their Arctics was on its side, curtain side. I'm not saying it's anything to do with this, it was further up. debris or something, or tractors. It's taking a long time. Especially I've got lads waiting at the other end. I'm ready for food as well. I'm just not going to stop. I'm not until them. Got up there, got loaded, and then I'll get something, I guess. That's the industry. And stop. Still here. It's workforce in the road saying, well, there was something just on the news there on the radio that there's a lorry overturned up Berwick, Fenwick area. A1 closed both ways, so that's me screwed further up. I'm not sure if that's the vehicle they're recovering from yesterday. It might be. And this is, I think it's fallen trees, and they're in the process of just chopping them, chipping them and all that malarkey. O'clock now, man. 5 to 1. $800 yards. We're getting there. We're getting there. But I don't know what's going to happen by the time we get to Berwick. Hopefully, if it is that one from yesterday, they might have added away by the time I get there. It's about an hour and a half, an hour 20. You never know. So many cars that could have just cut along these tight little country lanes to get around, but sitting it out, I ain't got a choice. The other trucks behind us and in front. We're 5 minutes here, no doubt. Well, around this area, Fenwickstead, Berwick, just where they said it was closed on the A1, sort of approaching Haggerston Castle area. See it in a second. Here it is. This is the one. So it has been recovered. Yeah, definitely. Company from Gateshead. What a shame. Timing was good for once. Road open again. Finally, 2:30, Berwick. Yeah, me. Lads have gone for the bait. So, like yesterday, tricky little reverse down the bank. As long as the cones haven't been shifted anymore. Because I just got through yesterday. just being my way, you see. To move the corn for us. That's Berwick done. 20 to 4, pretty good going. Full load on the back leg. Heavy. And there's still another load there, which will be Monday or Tuesday next week.